Holiday trade is not for the faint of heart. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard a BUBBA'S Daily Update for Wednesday, December the 29th, as we rapidly approach the end of the year. And it's been a wild day, man. These things are flying all over the place. Gold has had a monster range. The equities have had a monster range. In the meantime, here we are, and we're continuing to do our thing, and we continue to stay in the markets. And of course, as we look at the equities, the Dow is up 80. The Nasdaq is now down 65 after being up big. The S&P is flat, and the Russell is down 50. Gold is down 9. Silver is lower, and we're long in both. We reversed gold this morning down, but we reversed it down about $10 lower than here. So obviously that's a good thing to do. But overall, it's just a mess. These thin markets continue to roll on. Crude oil is flat as we wait for the EIA report that comes out in a little bit. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. It's flat. That's where it's trading. We are still long, and the dollar is lower, and we are long. Bitcoin has made a nice recovery. It was down about 1,500 earlier. Now it's up on the day. We are still short. As we take a look at copper, which is lower, we are long. And natural gas is lower, and we are still short. So again, you're seeing a mix. The bonds, which we are short, are getting clocked. The notes, which we are still long. I got to take a look there if I can see them. The notes are down as well. And we are long those. But again, it's a simple market of very thin trading, where anything goes right now. In the grains, we are long corn, which is flat. We're long beans, which are down about 6 cents, and we reversed to the short side of wheat, which is now higher this morning. Okay, and in the protein complex, feeder cattle is higher, which we are long. Hogs are higher, we are long, and fat cattle is higher, and we are long. So again, we're getting some pretty good action here in the meats, in the protein complex, and of course in the softs. You've got cotton higher, and we are long. You've got coffee higher, and we are short. Sugar is flat, we are short. Cocoa is slightly higher, and we are short. And OJ, we are long, and it is lower. It's like I said, it's kind of a mixed picture. We're just seeing all kinds of stuff going all over the place, and it's extremely fast and extremely wild. And that's the kind of action you expect when there is no volume. In the meantime, don't forget to check out our sponsors, and of course, Capital Trading Group, which is one of our brokerage partners. I have many brokers, but I do prefer the ones I use the most often. And of course, Capital Trading Group for futures and commodities. They're the only ones I've authorized for letter of direction trading. They trade all my accounts. They've got some brand new products of their own. Best customer service in the industry. Check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, Tradier, again, for equities and options, there's nobody better. They're the equivalent to Capital Trading Group on the equity side, and they're $10 a month flat, which you cannot beat that. And why anybody wouldn't just take that automatically is beyond me. But in the meantime, we also have their APIs, which allows us to automate your portfolios. If you're an equity member, if you're a hedging member, which we have our webinar today, but if you're a hedging member, you can license out the software because hedging is a class, not a membership. But check them out, try.trader.com/Bubba. That's try.trader.com/Bubba. And our gold and our metals partner, should just say gold metals partner, who I do all my shopping with, is Strategic Wealth Preservation, swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, Family Farms Group. If you're a farmer, it's the greatest organization for farmers. And of course, I wish they had it for me because I would love to take advantage of their services. But check them out, familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, we had football today. We're 3-1 yesterday. Mississippi State sucked, but we had one cancellation, and there's 3 games today. And we do like Maryland in the Pinstripe Bowl in New York. We like Oklahoma tonight against Oregon, and I actually forgot who the middle game was, but I will tell you that I did like the underdog in the middle game. That I can tell. I just forgot who it was, so I'm sorry. I lost my mind for a minute, but it was the underdog for sure. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.